Skritla. I think we're completely lost. I think you're right. Let me check the compass again. Lucy said we should go north. Which way is north? That's towards the N for north. So if we go a little bit further this way, we should find it. Okay, let's go. You see something blue? Nope. Not yet. Come on. Lucy! 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 There! I can see Lucy's magic trunk. I only hope our friend Lucy is at home. Well, she has to be. Otherwise, she wouldn't have invited us. Let's knock. Oh, no. She's sleeping after all. She's always sleeping. Try again. Same old story. Lucy is sleeping and can't wake up. What do we do? We've come such a long way. Skritla, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Let's just open up and go inside. Of course. What? Lucy! Lucy is fast asleep. In a drawer? Her snores are really loud. Skappa, look! Wow! The music box? Why not? Well, we have to ask Lucy for permission first. Yes. Plus, it's a very special music box. What do you mean special? Just special. Imagine if we could sit there in the audience and watch the circus. That would be great. Yeah. Let's wish for it. No, that's no good. It's not dangerous. It's just fun. It's like this. We play the music box. Here's a wishing band. Now take my hand and we say together. We wish we could go to the circus. Are we there yet? No, it's no good. It's no problem. We just have to try again and wish harder. Are you ready? Ready. We wish we could go to the circus. One more time, please. All right. We wish we could go to the circus. We wish we could go to the circus. What? Huh? My, oh my, she did it! Oh, Skritla, is that you?
Hi, Lucy.
Hi.
We knocked, but nothing happened. We were sure you were fast asleep.
Well, I had a little nap after reading so many wonderful books. Where is Skoppa?
Skoppa?
Yeah.
She had to go pee-pee.
Oh, well. Well, she'll be back soon then.
No, I think she's gone. Gone away.
Away to the bathroom.
A ways away.
Which way did she go?
That way.
Skritla, she can't be in two places at the same time. Wait a minute. What's going on?
Going on? Nothing.
Nothing? Then I suppose you're hiding nothing behind your back. Let me see. You turned on the music box. That's all right. But you really should have asked for permission first. Mm-hmm. My, oh my, a fly went by. Skoppa is inside the music box.
Yep, and she seems to be having a terrific time.
Somehow, we got to get her back.
Well, she knew she had to wish really hard to get into the music box, but she didn't say anything about how to get back.
No, of course she didn't. She couldn't because I never told her how.
Whoopsie. I guess we're in some trouble.
We should try to call her.
Skoppa! Skoppa! Skoppa!
She can't hear us.
To go back to see them. I've had a wonderful time here. But hey, whoops! How do I get back? I know. I'll just have to wish really hard again. I wish to go home. Okay, didn't work. I wish to go to home base. I wish to go to home base. Where am I? I wish to go to home base, not to outer space. Well, I'd better look around. I should have been more polite. How do I get her back? Maybe if I sing a song. Butterflies, daffodils, lilies, wonders that make me smile. Butterflies, daffodils, lilies, wonders that make me smile. How do you do? Hey, wait a minute. There's something written there. Hello, I am an elf. An elf? I've always wanted to meet an elf. I live in the house over there. What house? Do I have a banana in my eyes or what? I can't see any house. Clap your hands 3 times if you can keep the elf secret. Hi, my name is Skoppa. What is your name? Is it round? Oops. Is it Twister? I know. Is it Glow?
Skritla dear, Skoppa has left the music box. I think the only way to find her is for you to go in there and get her.
Me? Go get her? But how can I? You have to go with me.
No, I think it's safer that I stay here in case she comes back.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, maybe it is the best. But Lucy, I'm a little afraid.
It's all right to be afraid. But you have to be brave as well. Things will get a lot easier with a bit of courage. Now, just make up your mind that you can do it.
All right. Yeah, I'll try my best to be brave.
Here I have a wishing band. Now you take it, and then we hold hands, and together we say,
We wish we find Skoppa. We wish we find Skoppa. So there was a house here. Wow, it's incredible. A house inside the rock. So elves are real after all. But Glow, do you know anything about wishes? I'm a little lost and I don't know how to return home. You see, I wished so hard that I fell into a music box. You think that's funny? Maybe you're right. Maybe it is funny to fall into a music box. Olaf. But now I have to go back. Glow, will you help me make my wish? Okay. Are you ready? I wish I make, I wish I take. To go back home is the wish I make. No, let's try again. Are you ready? I wish I make, I wish I take. To go back home is the wish I make. What's all this?
Why, this is a cake!
A cake?
Yeah, I heard you calling a cake. So here's a cake. But haste, haste, your breath don't waste. But first you got some paste to taste.
Cake? I didn't say a cake. I said, I wish I make, I wish I take. Not I wish I cake.
No, snake a Blake on the rake. Make a rake on the lake for Pete's sake. But first and foremost, bake a cake.
My, oh my. You have such a lot of goodies. All kinds of cakes and yummy stuff.
Don't start. Don't be smart. It's a work of art.
I'm sorry. It just looks so delicious. Did I even introduce myself? Hi, I'm Scopper.
Pleased to meet you, Scopper. Now hop along, Hopper.
You're funny.
Why, thank you ever so kindly. My name is Maker, Baker. Let me shake ya.
What did you say?
Maker, Baker, let me shake ya. I'm not gonna take your, break your hand.
That's why there are so many cakes everywhere. Because you're a baker.
Well, I don't do much as such. I have fun while the sun bakes the buns.
What? Can the sun bake a bun?
Well, the sun bakes a nice treat, I always say. Welcome to the bakery. Have a look around. The far best cakes and cookies ever found.
Yum, yum.
Long ones, short ones, round ones, fat ones with cherries on top. Green ones, pink ones, blue ones in my shop. They call me Maker, Baker. I'm the best that's ever been. With recipes I'm filled up to the brim. Master in the world at making ginger boys and girls with icing, sugar, cream, strawberry swirl. Yalla roppity, yalla roppy day, yalla roppity, roppy day. Yalla pottery, yalla parola potti day, yalla rottali, loppy day. They call me Maker, Baker, I'm the best that's ever been. With recipes I'm filled up to the brim. Best at making muffins, they're so soft, that's how you tell. Now what is that amazing smell? They call me Maker, Baker, I'm the best that's ever been. With recipes I'm filled up to the brim. Every day's a birthday when you do what I can do. I'll be baking something just for you. What to do? Just for you. Make a ring.
You're so hilarious and funny. Can I help you with the baking?
Why, you sure will. You can fill this bucket up with power flour.
Sure I can.
Yep.
1 bucket of flour. Done?
Yeah. Now you have to sift the power flour and weigh exactly 1 bucket of power flour.
Okay. This is lovely flour.
Hey! Woo! Scopper, you trooper, you know the news. You ain't got the blues. She always got the grooves.
Yeah, a little bit more flour.
No. While I finish the cake, you go down to the beach and find something pretty to decorate the cake with.
That's a great idea.
Ja, ja, batteria, da, ja, ja, batteria. Jalla, rockabye, soppide. Jalla, la bia, motti, jalla, rockabye. Salariyapadi. Ya Rabbi, ya Rabbi.
Many mighty mischievous monkeys!
Oh, Bubble, Bubble, bake some trouble.
I think I'm seeing double.
I'm so sorry. I think I kind of lost my way.
No.
Come out from there. You're inside an oven.
It's not healthy for anyone to be inside an oven. But what are you doing in there? I thought I told you to go down to the beach and find something pretty.
To decorate the cake with.
Well, hello. As I said, I think I kind of lost my way.
Wait a moment. Hey, you're not the same person.
Same person? What do you mean?
I thought you were Mopper that had gone double.
Moppa?
No, I thought you were Flopper that had gone double.
Floppa?
No, I thought you were Cropper that had gone double.
Moppa, floppa, croppa. It all rhymes with my friend Scoppa.
That's what I said. I thought you were Scopper that had gone double.
Scoppa? You mean my friend Scoppa? You know my friend Scoppa?
Of course I know Scopper. The rubber-dubber Scopper. She's hopping along on the beach there.
Scoppa!
Yeah.
Ha-ha!
How did you find me, Screetla?
Well, Lucy helped me to wish really hard, and here I am.
Great, because then you can help me find some delicious-looking decorations for all the cakes.
Of course! Mama!
See the sun in the sky, how it is bright, how it is warm. Feel the warm sand on our feet. It's a little wonderland, building castles in the sand. I found a shell so blue that I want to give to you. Can you feel the cheerful breeze tickling and teasing me so very playfully? Look at all the greenery, the home of fruits and animals. And because we're best of pals, here's a funny fruit that I want to give to you. All this would be so ordinary, just sand and sun and trees. But I feel it is so very merry because you are with me.
We caught one.
Soy!
Wow, we really did catch a goldfish. And look how cute he is. He even has a little red hat on his head.
Oh. But don't you think he might get bored being all alone in such a small bowl?
He might.
Hey, why so blue when you can put it on the barbecue?
No! I know. Maybe if we find him some animal friends, he might not be so sad.
That's true. Let's go and find him some friends.
All right. Here we go.
1, 2, and 3.
Bye-bye, Baker.
Bye-bye, Baker.
Sweep and sweep and sweep and sweep and sweep and sweep the floor. Sweep and sweep and sweep and sweep the floor.
Look, Skrilla.
Zoo. Now that's something for us.
Hooray! We'll find some friends for the fish.
Yes.
Well, hello there.
Hello.
Hello! How much does it cost to go to the zoo?
It doesn't cost much.
Oh.
Only one smile.
Well, we certainly know how to smile.
Really?
Oh, yes.
Let me see. Follow me, please.
All the world's animals in different shapes and sizes make all our little journeys full of good surprises. Some of them are cuddly, some are creepy crawly, some are gray and grumpy. That's so strange and funny. Monkeys love their mango and to talk and babble. They're usually good buddies, but sometimes they will squabble. They climb in trees and swing around in groups of 2 and 3. Don't have any PJs or brush to brush their teeth. See the long snake Stephanie, she likes to watch and giggle. She finds the monkeys funny, so she laughs and wiggles. Even if they don't have words, they have so much to say. Listen very carefully, you might find out one day. What do you think giraffes would favor most of all? Could they eat that popcorn when they are so tall? Giraffes begin with G. Maybe they eat ginger, grapes or grapefruit, or maybe Butterfinger. Oh, got it! A crocodile with a coconut slowly swimming by. Sees Tiger Mom look worried, so he asks her why. I am so hungry, there's nothing here for me. I want something tasty that begins with a T.
much.
You're welcome. Oh!
Now the goldfish will always be happy. Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh no, Scoppa! We are forgetting something.
Forgetting something? What?
Lucy is always waiting for us.
I was just gonna come and get you and bring you right back home.
My, oh my.
How do we get back home? 'Cause wishing didn't work.
Oh boy. Lucy forgot to tell me how we get back.
Then what are we going to do? Well, we're just gonna have to go some way and see if it is the right way. Let's go!
All right. Here's a creek.
Huh. Don't fall. No.
Oh, and there's a river. Yes!
Let's dive in and cool off.
Scoppa, there's a boat. It looks like we can rent a boat.
Huh, come on!
How much do you think it costs to rent a boat?
It doesn't cost much.
It doesn't cost much.
Hey, that's good because we don't have much. Just this. Whee! Well, let's go. All right. Are we ready, Skrikla? Ready. Okay. Whoa, Scoppa! Be careful rowing the boat, please. Whoops, I'm sorry. Oh, Scoppa! I guess I'm kind of clumsy. I guess you are. Scoppa! Whoops! I can't believe how clumsy I am today. Scoppa, I'll take care of it. Okay. We are so silly. We are. What was that?
Hi! How did Lucy get here?
Lucy?
Lucy? No, Lucy. We've been looking for our friend Lucy all along, and now she's found.
Oh, she out?
Found. She probably wished really hard, and here she is. We have to wake her up.
Oh, yes.
Lucy. Dear Lucy, wake up. Oh. Lucy! Lucy!
Here's Lucy Juicy.
Lucy, you found us. Oh, but you forgot, Lucy, to tell me how we get back home.
My dear Skritla, you wished so hard that you just disappeared before I could say goodbye. But say, where are we?
We're here with a great family of forest creatures, and they are so friendly.
Oh, wow, that's an unusual welcoming committee.
Ibaru di mrebaluyo. Irjabu. Ebu. Jabu. Babu. Isabu. Dabu. Estina.
But Lucy,
Yes.
how do we get back home?
That's the thing. And here's the thing, right here. In this little pouch, I keep my magic butterflies. Whenever you need to get back from an adventure, they help you.
Of course!
What we have to do is... Hoogalagalau!
Hoogalagalau!
Ugalagalau. Ugalagalau. Ugalagalau.
Thank you so much, dear friends. The heat and the smoke from the fire will help the butterflies carry us home. In my palm, I have one butterfly for each of us. Now you place your hand above mine, and together we say,
Wait a second. We haven't said goodbye to our good friends. I have to admit, I'm gonna miss them.
Me too. But Lucy, do you think we can visit them again?
yes, of course. We'll just leave behind one of the magic butterflies. And then you'll just have to wish hard enough to be able to be back here whenever you want to.
Yay! Now everything is ready. Yes.
And now we say together.
We wish we were home again. We wish we were home again. We did it! Here we are!
Oh, thank you so much, Lucy, for coming to get us.
What are friends for? I couldn't just sit here and wait while you were lost.
You always know exactly what to do and say.
My, oh my, a fly went by.
What? And she's gone. Oh, wow. Well, this sure has been an eventful day.
Oh, yes. And we're so lucky to have such good friends.
So true.
treasuring our memories.